Good morning, students. Welcome to you all in chemistry class. Today we are going to discuss chemicals from common salt, NCERT page number 29. The salt formed by combination of hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide solution is sodium chloride. अब इसकी इक्वेशन क्या होगी? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड HCl with sodium hydroxide solution NaOH give rise to sodium chloride NaCl plus H2O. तो ये रिएक्शन कौन सी है? न्यूट्रलाइजेशन रिएक्शन. और जो सॉल्ट बन रहा है इसमें वो क्या है? न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट. बिकॉज इन दिस केस हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड क्या है? स्ट्रॉन्ग एसिड. एंड सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. पीएच न्यूट्रल सॉल्ट की कितनी होगी? 7. pH of this salt is 7. Sea water contain many salt dissolved in it. Sodium chloride is separated from these salt deposits of solid salts are also found in many parts of the world. And these large crystals are often brown due to impurity. And this is known as rock salt. This is known as rock salt. And rock salt is mined like coal. You all know about Mahatma Gandhi's Dandi March, that is Salt March. It means sodium chloride was an important symbol in the struggle for the freedom. Note down all these points. Next, uses of common salt. It is an essential component of diet. It is used as preservative for the number of food materials. It is used in manufacturing of soap. I write down these uses of common salt. It is an important starting material for the production of number of other chemicals, such as sodium hydroxide, washing soda, baking soda, bleaching powder, and many others. तो डिस्कस करते हैं इन सब केमिकल्स को. फर्स्ट इज सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NaOH. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड NaOH. When electricity is passed through aqueous solution of sodium chloride, aqueous solution of sodium chloride is known as brine. Aqueous solution of sodium chloride is known as brine. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, it forms sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. And this process is known as chlor-alkali process. This process is known as chlor-alkali process. Chlorine gas is given off at anode and hydrogen gas at cathode, and sodium hydroxide solution is formed near the cathode. This process is known as chlor-alkali process because of the product form chlor for chlorine and alkali for sodium hydroxide. Three products means sodium hydroxide, NaOH, then chlorine gas, and a hydrogen gas. Three products produced in this process, that is chloralkali process, are very useful. When electricity is passed through an aqueous solution of sodium chloride, then there is a formation of hydrogen gas at cathode, chlorine gas at anode, and sodium hydroxide solution. Hydrogen gas at cathode, chlorine gas at anode, and sodium hydroxide solution. Uses of these three products are, first, a hydrogen की uses note कीजिए. It is used as fuel. It is used as a fuel. It is used in manufacture of ammonia. Ammonia का formula क्या होता है? NH3. Hydrogen, when combined with nitrogen, it forms ammonia, NH3, which is further used for the production of fertilizers like urea, and it is also used for the production of ammonium salt. Ammonium salt, for example, ammonium chloride, ammonium sulfate. Next is, it is used in hydrogenation of vegetable oil. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. In hydrogenation of vegetable oil to form solid fat, that is margarine. It is used in preparation of hydrochloric acid. These are the uses of hydrogen gas. Next, uses of chlorine. It is used as disinfectant. It is used as disinfectant. It is used in manufacture of pesticides. Next, it is used in the preparation of bleaching powder. Next, it is used in preparation of PVC and CFC. PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Full form of PVC, polyvinyl chloride. Full form of CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. नोट कर लीजिए बेटे फुल फॉर्म इनकी, PVC, polyvinyl chloride, CFC, chlorofluorocarbon. Next, uses of sodium hydroxide. It is used as lab reagent. It is used as lab reagent. It is used in preparation of soaps and detergents. It is used in paper industry. It is used in paper industry. Next, it is used in making of artificial fibers. These are the uses of hydrogen gas, chlorine, and sodium hydroxide. Next is bleaching powder. Chlorine is produced during electrolysis of aqueous sodium chloride. जब आपने इलेक्ट्रोलिसिस की थी सोडियम क्लोराइड की, तो यहाँ पे क्या बना था? सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, NaOH, hydrogen gas, and chlorine gas. And the chlorine produced during electrolysis is used for the preparation of bleaching powder. Bleaching powder is CaOCl2. CaOCl2. Its chemical name is calcium oxychloride. Chemical name calcium oxychloride. Formula CaOCl2. It is produced by action of chlorine on slaked lime. Slaked lime, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide with chlorine form calcium oxychloride. Calcium oxychloride, common name bleaching powder. Then साथ में क्या बनेगा यहाँ पे H2O water. ब्लीचिंग पाउडर क्या होता है? कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड और उसका फॉर्मूला क्या है? CaOCl2 and it is produced by action of chlorine on slaked lime. Chemical equation क्या है इसकी? CaOH twice calcium hydroxide plus Cl2 chlorine give rise to calcium oxychloride CaOCl2 plus water H2O. नोट कर लीजिए बेटा ये मेथड ऑफ प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड. Uses of calcium oxychloride. It is used for bleaching cotton in textile industry. Used for bleaching cotton in textile industry, for bleaching wood pulp in paper industries, and for bleaching washed clothes in laundry. Next इसका यूज क्या है? It is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries and it is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. एक बार रिपीट करते हैं बेटे यूजेस इसके. It is used for bleaching cotton in textile industry and for bleaching wood pulp in paper industries and for bleaching washed cloth in laundries. It is used as an oxidizing agent in many chemical industries. It is used for disinfecting drinking water to make it free of germs. अब इस स्लाइड पे क्या है आपके पास? प्रिपरेशन ऑफ कैल्शियम ऑक्सीक्लोराइड, that is bleaching powder, then uses of calcium oxychloride. Any doubt in this slide? Okay. Next is baking soda. Next is baking soda. The chemical name of this compound is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate and its formula is NaHCO3. Chemical name of baking soda is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Formula क्या है इसका? NaHCO3. इसको हम सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट भी कहते हैं. सोडियम बाइकार्बोनेट. Baking soda is also known as मीठा सोडा. Preparation of baking soda. जिस प्रोसेस से इसको प्रिपेयर किया जाता है उसको कहते हैं सॉल्वे प्रोसेस. नोट कर लीजिए बेटा इस प्रोसेस का नेम. It is prepared by solvay process. When carbon dioxide is passed through the aqueous solution of sodium chloride saturated with ammonia, then there is a formation of ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride. Ammonium chloride क्या है? Water soluble. And sodium hydrogen carbonate. Hydrogen carbonate, common name baking soda. Sodium hydrogen carbonate separates out as a solid. इसको हम क्या कर लेते हैं? Filter. Properties of baking soda. Baking soda is a basic salt. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a basic salt. Its solution is alkaline in nature due to sodium hydroxide and carbonic acid. सोडियम हाइड्रोक्साइड क्या होता है? स्ट्रॉन्ग बेस. कार्बोनिक एसिड वीक एसिड. therefore baking soda is a basic salt. Next property, action of heat. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating gives sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, water H2O, and carbon dioxide CO2. Next property, sodium hydrogen carbonate with acid. यहाँ पे हमने एसिड कौन सा यूज किया है? हाइड्रोक्लोरिक एसिड. It gives sodium chloride. Sodium hydrogen carbonate with hydrochloric acid gives sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. What is the chemical name of baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Its formula is NaHCO3. Then preparation by a solvent process. Properties, it is a basic salt. On heating, it gives sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. And with hydrochloric acid, it gives sodium chloride, water and carbon dioxide. Next is uses of sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda. It is used as an antacid. बेकिंग सोडा क्या है? बेसिक सॉल्ट है. सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट, जिसका कॉमन नेम बेकिंग सोडा है, वो क्या है? बेसिक सॉल्ट. अगर वो बेसिक सॉल्ट है तो वो क्या करेगा? एसिड्स को न्यूट्रलाइज. द एक्सेस एसिड formed in stomach due to eating of spicy food is easily neutralized by sodium hydrogen carbonate. Sodium hydrogen carbonate क्या है? Basic salt. And it is used as an antacid. Next use, the soda commonly used in kitchen for making tasty crispy pakoda is baking soda. Is मीठा सोडा. First use, it is used as an antacid. Second, it is used in kitchen for making tasty crispy pakodas. Next is, baking powder is a mixture of sodium hydrogen carbonate and mild edible acid like tartaric acid. अभी तक हमने क्या डिस्कस किया था, बेकिंग सोडा। अब ये बेकिंग पाउडर क्या है, बेकिंग पाउडर इज अ मिक्सचर ऑफ बेकिंग सोडा, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट and edible acid like tartaric acid. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. In making certain foodstuffs such as bread, cake, where softness and fluffiness is required, वहां पे हम क्या यूज करते हैं, बेकिंग पाउडर. This is because on heating sodium hydrogen carbonate that is baking soda, अगर हम इसको हीट करते हैं तो क्या होता है, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट. ने पहले भी इक्वेशन डिस्कस किया. ऑन हीटिंग इट गिव सोडियम कार्बोनेट Na2CO3 प्लस H2O वाटर प्लस कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. इक्वेशन को बैलेंस करते हैं तो यहाँ पे क्या आ जाएगा, 2. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is baking soda, on heating gives sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. On heating, sodium hydrogen carbonate decomposes to give carbon dioxide, which causes the bread or cake to rise and makes them highly porous. ये तो फंक्शन हो गया बेकिंग सोडा का. ठीक है. Now what is the function of tartaric acid? Now, function of tartaric acid is to neutralize the sodium carbonate formed during heating. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, baking soda, heat करने से decompose हो गया और उसने क्या बनाया, sodium carbonate, water and carbon dioxide. And carbon dioxide causes the bread or cake to rise. Now, you know the sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate is a basic salt. Sodium carbonate, sodium hydroxide है, that is strong base, and carbonic acid, weak acid. तो जो सोडियम कार्बोनेट है वो क्या है, बेसिक सॉल्ट है. The function of tartaric acid is to neutralize the sodium carbonate formed during heating of baking soda. अब बेसिक सॉल्ट है, आप सबको पता है जो बेस होता है उनका टेस्ट क्या होता है, बिटर. अगर ये न्यूट्रलाइज नहीं होगा तो उससे क्या होगा, केक जब ब्रेड का टेस्ट क्या हो जाएगा, बिटर. What is baking powder? It is a mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. What is the function of tartaric acid? The function of tartaric acid is to neutralize the sodium carbonate formed during heating of baking soda, that is sodium hydrogen carbonate. Next is, it is used in fire extinguisher. In soda acid fire extinguisher, a solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is placed in the cylinder fitted with nozzle. नाम से क्लियर है ना, सोडा एसिड, सोडा मीन्स बेकिंग सोडा. A solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate is placed in the cylinder fitted with nozzle. A bottle containing concentrated sulfuric acid. सोडा एसिड फायर एक्सटिंग्विशर है ना नाम इसका. तो सोडा मीन्स बेकिंग सोडा, एसिड कौन सा यूज कर रहे हैं, सल्फ्यूरिक एसिड. A bottle containing concentrated sulfuric acid is also fitted in the cylinder. When the knob fitted on the cylinder is pressed, तो bottle क्या हो जाती है, break. अगर bottle break होगी, the acid reacts. अगर bottle break हो जाएगी तो acid किसके साथ react कर जाएगा, सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट के साथ. जब एसिड सोडियम हाइड्रोजन कार्बोनेट के साथ रिएक्ट करता है तो कौन सी गैस इवॉल्व होती है, यस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड. The reaction starts giving out carbon dioxide and as a result क्या होता है, the supply of